Hi y'all, this is Linda and welcome back to Handsthatcook. Sorry about the background noise, that's my sister's breathing machine and I'm in the dining room. I probably should have chosen a quieter place, but I hope it's not too disturbing. Now, I've had so many inquiries on how to get this book, When Dinnerbells Ring. So I can tell you how to do it, but it's going to leave a lot of questions. So what I'm going to do is in the Show More section, which is down below this video, it'll say Show More. I'm going to put the email address of how to send an email and get the book. And I know that it's $15 plus shipping, but I'll leave that below for you. That's what this video is about. And I have another, just a simple tip for you. So let me get that. This is my lunch, and it's a ham salad sandwich on my fine china. Ham salad's heavy, and you see if I pick this sandwich up it starts to flop. And for many of you, I'm sure you've had this same problem. I'm going to tell you how to solve it. Flip your sandwich over. Then the heavy side is on the top and your sandwich stays together. Isn't that neat? I have another hint. I'll just tell you now. I don't know about all of you, but I use the grocery store plastic bags to line my trash cans, my small trash cans, so that it's easier to empty them. You just pull them out and tie them up and throw them in the large trash can outside. Well, this is a tip from my sister. Valerie is her name. And if, before you put a new trash can in, if you'll just take 2 or 3 empty, before you put a new trash bag in, take 2 or 3 of the empty little plastic grocery bags and fold them and put them in the very bottom of your trash can. 2 or 3, however many. And then put the trash bag you want to use on top of it and stretch it around and all that. Then when it gets full and you pull it up and tie it to take it out, you've got another trash bag waiting to be put in right there. Because I couldn't tell you how many times I have emptied, gone and emptied the trash and forgot to get a new bag to put in there. Well, this way it's waiting for you. So I thought that was such a neat idea, I wanted to share it with you. In any case, that's it for today. Look in the Show More and you will see the email address to order When Dinnerbells Ring. If you're interested, because I've had so many inquiries and you can't find it. It used to be on Amazon, but it's not now. They sold out, I guess. So thank you for coming in and listening to this. I appreciate it every time. Spending a little part of your day with me means a lot. Thank you again, all of you that have gone to my Amazon wish list and sent me little things that I need, and I just don't want to spend the money right now on them. I appreciate it. I appreciate every one of you. Thank you to my new subscribers for coming in, and thank you to my old ones for your loyalty and love. Alright, I'll see you next time, and until then you all take care, and God bless every one of you.